Okay, are we live? Really quick, I'm just gonna check. Looks like we're live. Okay, I'm gonna be right back here in a sec. Um, okay, so docs. Quick here. Yeah, there's no buffer. There's no like induced buffer. I think I'm gonna chat. Yeah. Okay. So no one's joined. I don't really care if anyone joins. I just kind of want this to be like documented. But this menu is essentially finished for the time being. There's nothing else I can really do to it before the game comes out, other than adding the like testing arena for stuff. But other than that, it is pretty much done. So here, launch the game. I guess I'm gonna work on the equips because that's still got a long way to go. Oh yeah, so we gotta turn the master. It's super loud. Apparently, it's like really loud on the stream. So turn the master volume down. And so the saves don't work yet because I'm having issues with the new INI that I'm using. So so that doesn't work, so you have to use new file for everything. And then this is going to get replaced with the tutorial level when that gets good. But oh my god, the frame rate is abysmal while I'm recording. I mean, truthfully, I kind of want to die anyway, just so I can get to the menu. Okay. So this is where everything is going to operate out of. And you see, I haven't done the mural yet, but it does have like the percentage bar. So as you complete the levels, like that will go up. Has anyone joined? No, no one's joined. All right, but yeah. So as you sort of join the game, that's gonna happen. Also, really quick, do I have? I do. Okay. So if I go to the codex, this is pretty much done. All I have to do to this is keep adding pages to it. I believe I actually already have another page for this one. I just have to... I think there's another page for this one that exists. It's just I haven't actually set the requirement for it yet because I don't know what level you're going to unlock it in. And I still haven't come up with a name for these guys. And I haven't drawn the picture for the exit portal yet. But when that's done, it'll be in here. But all I really have to do is just make the pages and the requirements for this, and it's done. Equips has a long way to go. This is going to be a really complicated menu because it's going to have all 7 guns worth of crap. But like you can see down at the bottom, it's got like the level requirement and then your level and the bar showing you how close to leveling up and how much everything is, and and then a description and title for all the mods. Like, so I haven't even done any of these buttons yet. Oh, and then when you hover over the alts, the box goes green. So for green for the alts, purple for the mods. So yeah, there's quite a bit to do here. But if I close the debug menu. Shit. Okay, let me close the game. Also, obviously, I'll add more music, you know, for this stuff once that's done. If I reopen the game, and I now, yeah, I do have it now. Okay. Come in, you know, give myself pistol and make myself like level 10, right? Which that might overwrite that. Oh, it didn't. Well, it wouldn't matter because it wouldn't be written yet. It wouldn't be written until you loaded. So, you know, and then just die so we can see all the menus. Oh my god, the frames. I promise the game will not run that slow when it's actually out. But as you can see, right, you can pick. So I can't use this one because you have to be level 11 to use this one. But I can use this one and this one. And that is actually updating the mod that you have selected. So if you look at pistol mod here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is actually updated by this. And then once I add functionality and all the buttons for everything else, but you know, like this is 7 objects. This is 10 objects. So I've got to have 3 more of these and 2 more of these. So that's 14 plus 30. So there's 44 more objects I have to add to this menu, and there's already 28. You know what I mean? So this menu is going to take a long time. But it is like functional in terms of the pistol. Like all of these work. And so you can see like vampirism, you have to be level 16 to have that. But I think I'll actually work on this right now. So first things first, I gotta open my Word, because Word is where I have all the descriptions for everything saved. So okay. Yeah, you can see how big this fucking planning document is. But anyway, here's the table with all the weapon mods. So okay. Equips. Blitz. Okay. Blitz, finisher. Stabilizer. Slam fire. Oh, that's gonna kill me. Hold on. Stock SMG. Yeah. Slam fire, and the last one, ricochet. Probably should have been able to remember that. Okay. So these I can just copy over. But yeah, I haven't really taken like a lot of the elements of this lightly. And so far, I'm actually really, really happy with how this has come out. The only thing that I'm not thrilled about is the look of some aspects of the game. I think it is kind of ugly. But I don't know if it's within my ability to make it look any better than it does. I already did the lighting effects, which was a totally new thing for me. So, like, I'm pretty happy with overall with how it came out. Oh shit! I forgot the stock again. What is the? Okay. So now the weird part. So I gotta basically copy all of the stuff that I did for the pistol over. And the easiest way to do that is to start by just literally copying it. So SMG, right? Like anything over here that I see that says pistol, make it SMG. Right? And then oh, this is gonna take forever. Okay, so here, let me keep doing this because this is going to take a while. And then I got to do the alts after this, yeah. So yeah, you can see the less fun elements of making the menus and how they're pretty fucking miserable. All things considered. Okay. Oh, I missed a couple there. Okay. And obviously these are all going to have to get moved too. But yeah. By the way, little reward for watching the stream. If you want my thoughts on what the best mod is for the SMG, it's probably mod 5, which is the Slamfire, which is this one. This one's good. It's like it gives you free shots, so it doesn't cost anything, and you get extra shots free of cost. Okay, so I think I'm just going to scroll over for this, because okay. Okay, so I need to be more careful doing that. Any chat? Anyone pop in? Doesn't look like it. Yeah, no one popped in. Okay, so oh, what? Oh, I saved it. I was worried about. I was like, I thought I did something bad there. No, I just hit Control S. Okay. So, then the other thing we gotta do is come over here. SMG mod. All of these gotta be SMG. Okay, I'm gonna just check something real quick. Making sure the stream's running. Okay. So, with that, as long as I scroll over, and there's shit over here. Of course there is. Oh, this is gonna suck. Okay. 7, 7, 7. Or, oh, God, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10, 11, 11, 11, what is that counter for? 12, 12. Oh, okay, yeah, these are different. Shit. Okay. So let's just see how this works. So all that's working properly. For some reason, that one doesn't want to work. Did I not do? Oh, I didn't. Oh, shit. Okay, well. I guess we will go like this and fill in all these, because that didn't work. Okay. And then color this white. Was this the wrong color? Yeah. Okay. There we go. All right. So we pop in. Yeah, okay, so we got to set the level requirements to be proper, but as long as I set, because the actual requirements and what it says they are not the same. If I set, yeah, so it'll let me do that. Okay. So this goes to 1. This is 1. This is, we'll say 4. 1, 2, 4. Let's say 6. 10, 14, 20, So, you know, those are, and these really can be temporary. Every single update, I can change these if I think that they're unreasonable, right? But, you know, if I give myself 100 levels, right, and then everything is in bounds, as long as I actually have these unlocked, right? Right, so you can see, like, that I get to pick where everything goes. And if you look up here, right, like that's actually carrying over. So now I gotta do the alts, and the alts are gonna be annoying because they're gonna have to run on their own fucking system. That's actually gonna suck. Okay. So let's come in here. Alt fires. Okay. So you can see the mods. Do these have their various versions? No, they don't. That's even more awesome. Okay, so first thing, scale this down to 16. And then get blue. Actually, I think they do. I think the other ones do, and this one doesn't because it doesn't have the border. But now I'm realizing I should have copied that other one over. God damn. Okay. Scale that back up. Take this, plop it in here. Okay. These two are both, yeah. So, I mean, really, we can just copy over the same thing. The mouse over an object, over this. Change animation sequence to running, right? Yeah, walking stops. Let me just double check that that's actually 0, that that's supposed to be, yeah. Okay. Animation, change animation sequence to walking. And then this is different than 0. And the mouse pointer isn't over it. Change it to stopped. And then if they click on it, and that's greater than or equal to 0, we want to play the sound, right? So yeah, here we want to alt to 0, yeah. Play the click sound. Okay. So here's where things get weird. I gotta come back out here. And let's just layer this because it's easier to do layer. Okay. Clone object. Boom. Okay. Bump this up so that they're exactly on top of each other. Make it in here. Let's just delete all the fucking things. Yep. So you gotta delete everything. I mean, I guess we can leave them for now because they're really just, you know, no alt, right? Support drone. So, by the way, every single one of these things is programmed into the actual game. This is just way less rewarding and way more annoying. So I've been putting off this process to let you actually pick which ones you use because it's such a bitch. And okay, so those are 3 we need. What we don't need is this to be visible at the start. And then what we're also going to do is clone this. Okay, bump that up so it's right on top, just like the other one. Okay, take it, put it on the other layer. Same thing with this actually. Put it on the other layer, right? Come in here, txt, alt titles, txt, alt descriptions, right? So this isn't really like too difficult of a thing to deal with, right? But now take these, make a custom one for this. So like, why? Yes, if you don't have them on lock. Locked. Okay. Okay, so then you come in here and drag these over. Keep this. Okay. Right. Yeah. So we can still, you know, have that counter there, but then what we also have to do, set paragraph to 1, set paragraph to 1, right? That's also 1. And then we got to come up here. So this is going to be a part of this code, which cycles between these things. So visibility, invisible, invisible. This stays visible, okay? Oh wait, these gotta go here. Okay, so those are invisible, and these reappear, right? And then these reappear. So if we come in like this, perfect. Look at that. Okay. Now, all we got to do is copy this for the other ones. So copy it. Mouse pointer is over the drone. I'm just realizing I didn't actually change this. So, XP level, where is it? Is greater or equal to, and this is going to have to be pretty high. I think this will be the first alt you unlock, so we'll say probably level 5 just to get the first alt. So this is going to be, this would be then 5, and this would be 2, this would be 2. Okay, so just to check that that works. Oh, okay, I didn't switch the... But yeah, other than that, it does work. So I gotta move over my animation changes. Does anyone join? I'm actually curious. No. Didn't think so. It's fine. Again, I'm not doing this for people to watch it. I'm doing so that there's record of me working on this. Okay, and with that, we copy this down. Okay. Boom. 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 We'll make this 12, so, you know. Right. Right. 3. 3. Okay. And now, with that, that's okay, actually. That's okay. Okay, so what happened there was, because my SMG mod wasn't 0, but again, you still shouldn't be allowed to change it if the thing isn't 0. Make the level like 15. Oh. You know what's a great thing is if you click on the button, if it actually changes the thing. Usually a good thing. Okay. Yeah, guys, I thought I unseated that menu. There we go. Come in. Yep, we have ourselves an SMG. And we've got some levels on us, 15 to be precise. So we can come in, we can change that. And why does that happen? Oh, because I'm a brick and I didn't change it again. Okay. 2, 2. There we go. That should be good, right? Because now we have the SMG unlocked. Level 15. Perfect. Okay. So that's how long it took for me to do one of those. So you can probably imagine it's going to take me a long time to do 3 more of those and 2 more of these. So, you know, clearly there's a lot to do here. I don't know how much longer I want to keep working on this specifically, but this menu is very important, and it kind of can't be, you know, an afterthought. Now, I do want to say, I haven't worked on the level complete menu yet, which is what this is going to be. I also haven't, you know, really touched a lot of... There's things that need to be done. This is the intro cutscene, obviously not done. The tutorial is actually going to be easy because I built this menu with having little tutorial messages being built in. So I'm not worried about having to do that. What I will say is that there seems to be... Oh, that's what I wanted to talk about. So if you come in here, right, and in the other menu, there's the bar. Now, what is the bar? basically every level is 12 XP points, every single one. And I actually have this in the Word doc. If you come in the Word doc, okay, is that it? Yeah. Okay, right here. The rank you get on level determines how many XP points you get, not how many levels, right? So every time you hit 12, you level up. D rank is 4 points, C rank is 6 points, B rank is 8 points, A rank is 12 points, S rank is 12 points, A rank is 10 points, I can't read, S rank is 12 points, P rank is the same number of points as S rank, okay? So you don't actually get more XP for P ranking. What you do get is if you P rank every level in the thing, you get like, you unlock the secret level, right? So that's what the P ranks are for. Every time you beat a level, you get the number of points you're owed for the rank you got added to your number of points. If you go over 12, it takes the excess, adds that, sets that as your new level, and then levels you up, right? The problem is, well, what if I D rank a level and then I B rank it? I only really deserve 4 points. I only got a rank that's 4 points better. I don't deserve a full 8, right? So how do I remedy that? Otherwise, you would intentionally beat a level shittily and then incrementally beat it better a little bit more every time, right? We don't want that. So what I have to do is I have to build in a system that knows that you already have a rank and then subtracts the rank you would get, the points you would get for the rank you got from the points you got from the last rank you had. And that's not actually as hard to do as it might sound, but I do need to keep that in mind when I do that menu. So that's going to be the technical part of that menu. But literally all of these things are programmed in. The game is very close to the fun part where I can just sort of start doing level design, which is what I've been waiting for. I was thinking, I might actually hire Yitch to do some art for the cutscenes. Why not, you know? But yeah. And then the difficulty system is implemented. I can send out a beta testing version before some of this stuff is done. I need to finish this menu, and I need to finish this menu. These two things absolutely have to be, absolutely have to be done before I send it out for beta testing. But not this doesn't. This doesn't. This is done. You know, so there's like a lot that's done that's able to be sent out. I think I'm actually going to run the game here real quick. So my only concern is if I pop this into windowed mode and go to here, so y'all can see it in windowed mode fine. How does it look in full screen? I can't see. Did I accidentally open something? I think I might have. Alright, well, we're going to keep it in windowed for now in case you guys couldn't see it earlier, just so you can see more of it now. Oh no. So, new game, file 1. So, the difficulties, right? Enemies are laughable, attacks are infrequent and easy to avoid. Recommended to players who either just looking to tear shit up or who suck at video games. Lenient. Enemies are competent, attacks are manageable, and require attention to avoid. Recommended for first-time players who have little or no experience with technical shooters. Standard. Enemies pose a threat, attacks are frequent, and can be difficult to avoid. Recommended for first-time players who have experience with technical shooters. Brutal. Enemies are deadly, attacks are omnipresent and hard to avoid. Recommended for players with an understanding of the game's mechanics who are looking for a challenge. Insane. Enemies hit like a truck. Attacks are relentless and require precision to avoid. Exclusively for players who eat a bowl of white phosphorus for breakfast and shit bricks. Insane will be very hard. I haven't been able to make it absolutely insanely difficult yet, but that's purely because of just the fact that the enemies that are in the game are easy enemies. When there's harder enemies that are in the game, yeah, those guys are going to mess you up on Insane. But here, we'll do Insane. I'll try this. So, this is my favorite of this game. So this is the intro cutscene it's going to automatically go off of, and what it would usually do is it would send you to the tutorial, but I haven't made the tutorial yet, and I'm not worried about it. Oh my god, the frame rate. Oh, did I really dash into that? Dude, the frame rate is absolutely atrocious right now. I mean, you can see everything that's happening, but like I'm beating the game on insane with just, you know, just the next level. Alright. Now there's no excellent level yet, so I have to go out like this, but yeah. So I'm very happy with the way that it's coming along. I have to draw this mural here and stuff, and oh, by the way, this works. So, like, when this already works. So, like, if, say I had a B rank on this level, right, I can go into the files and give myself a B rank. Say I had a P rank on the next level, right? I haven't made the names for all of them yet, but, like, as you scroll through, it does know. And it won't let me play levels I haven't beaten the previous of. So, if I have beat the previous of this one, so it'll let me play it, although it doesn't yet because the level doesn't exist, but it knows. Level 4, it won't let me play because I haven't beat it. Level 1, it will let me play. It'll always let you play level 1. And you come in here at this loading screen, and it's got like 22 random different little hints it can give you at the bottom. So, yeah. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this is coming out. And so, yeah. I'm happy with this. I think I'm actually going to end the stream because it is Easter. Like, I have stuff to do today. But I'm very happy with how this is coming along. This menu is going to be a bitch to do. This intro cutscene, doing the art for it's going to be really annoying. But other than that, I'm not that worried about being able to complete this. Like, this is going to take a while.